In this video I'm going to show you what the numbers mean on top of a Makita cordless drill. So we've got all the numbers here around the edge. So we're going to, in order to use those numbers and bring them into function, we're going to need to change this collar here to screw mode. So there's a few different modes here which we need to understand. This is hammer mode for when you're drilling into block work and brickwork. We've got screw mode, which when we're putting screws in, which is what we're about to do next. And then we've got drill mode, which is where we're drilling. Just quickly explain this as well. You've got speed 2, that's for sort of faster speed. The drill will turn faster and it's ideal for drilling where not much torque's required. And we've got speed 1, this is required when you're putting in large, long fixings that require a lot of torque to get them into position. So it's just 2 speed settings on your drill on the top there, and now we're going to explain these numbers. And the best way to show you that is with a demonstration. So in order to use these numbers, click your drill into screw mode. And we're just going to start with a low number here. So we're going to start with a number 3 and try and put a fixing into our test block. As you can see, the screw doesn't go in very deep before the clutch on the drill starts slipping. So on setting number 3 here, the clutch slips relatively easily and doesn't allow the screw to be driven in too far. So if we up this to, we'll go for 15, and we'll just try putting another screw in and see how deep it'll go. As you can see, that goes a little bit deeper when we up our settings. We can up them again, finally to the last setting, and then see if we can drive our screw home. So you can play around with these depending on what fixings you're using to just try and get your screw to sit flush with your workpiece. So if you're wondering what those numbers mean, they're just there to give you a clutch setting so you can alter the depth of your screws.